Welcome back to another quick guide today. We will walk you through how to use Slack as a beginner. Here's a beginner friendly guide to use Slack on Windows. First, download and install Slack. Go to Slack website and install the Windows app. Sign in or create an account. Open Slack and either log in with your existing account or click Create a new workspace to start fresh. Join or create a workspace. Enter your workspace Slack URL or accept an invite from your team. Understand the sidebar. The left panel shows channels, direct messages, and apps for quick navigation. Join channels. Click Add Channels, browse channels, then search or click the channel you want to join and create team discussions. Read and send messages. In the channel, type in the message box and press enter to send it. Mention people. Use @username to tag someone so they get notified. React with emojis. Hover over a message and click the emoji icon to add a quick reaction. Send the files. Click the plus icon next to the message bar, then choose Upload from your PC or drag and drop a file. Use Threads to reply. Go to Home, then click Threads to organize message. Search messages and files. Go to DM section. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find past messages or shared files. Set your status. Click your profile picture in the bottom left, then click Update your status to set a status to let others know if you're available, away, or in a meeting. Customize notifications. Click your profile icon again, then click on Preference, then Notifications to adjust how and when Slack alerts you. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.